Imagine an entire influencer marketing platform created to serve your specific needs. What if we told you this platform exists and it won't break your marketing budget? This is Ubiquitous. Here's how Ubiquitous works. The Creator Search tool allows you to quickly identify social media influencers across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. With over 50,000 creators to choose from, you can sift through niche influencers with engaged followers to find the perfect fit for your next campaign. Speaking of campaigns, campaign monitoring and performance tracking shows your campaign success across all platforms. Monitor your performance in real time and export all that important data with the click of a button so that you can make decisions with precision and speed. This is where things get fun. The competitive brand analysis tool shows you what other brands in your industry are doing. So you're probably wondering, how much is this going to cost you? Nothing. That's right. We are giving away free access to the Ubiquitous platform. Visit our website at ubiquitousinfluence.com to get started for free. Until next time.